Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this episode, we will speak on Vinayak Pataskar. He was born on 15th of May 1892 in Indapur, Pune. He studied at New English School. He did his graduation from Fergusson College, Pune. He obtained LLB degree from the Government Law College in Bombay. He joined Indian National Congress and became an active participant in the regional politics. As he was a qualified lawyer, he offered free legal services to political prisoners between 1925 to 1945. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Bombay on the Congress party ticket. He spoke on various issues. He participated in the debates on preventive detention. He participated in the debates on what is due process. He also expressed his views in debates concerning anti-discrimination. He was concerned about the issue of our defense, which will be used because of the treaties. So let's see what he spoke on that aspect. On 27th of August 1947, quote, as that employment is confined to these two subjects, I have given notice of amendment that the scope should be widened by adding, for implementing treaties and agreements with other countries for maintaining peace and security inside the territories of Federation. This was the amendment which he moved. And then he gave the reason. The object of giving notice of this amendment was to widen the scope because our country may make treaties with other countries and these forces might have to be employed for implementing those treaties. So he was mainly concerned that how our defense may likely be used if we do treaties to other people. He was awarded Padma Vibhushan. He passed away on 21st of February 1970. We are grateful for his contribution in the making of our Constitution of India. Thank you.